Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to auto-fit a background image to a PDF file using PDF-XChange Editor. Open your PDF file and select Organize option. Select your background option and select Add option and select a name option. You can type here your background image name or click this option and open your background image folder. I'll insert this image. Select Open. This image scale I'll make it 100%. This actual image size, and see there is blank space in top and also bottom. If I decrease this image size, make it 90 degree, 90% scale, and see this. Also there is blank space around this image. I'll make it on 105 and see this. There is no blank area outside of this image, and simply select OK, and see this image now auto fit all of these pages, and see there is no blank space. And finally select this file option, save or save as a PDF file. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comment.